Hi, it's Kelsey with Junk Journal Magic. Today's Flip Through Friday, and I'm going to go over this wonderful vintage hardback book. It's pretty thick too. I'm not going to go through it page by page, but I'm going to show you what you get because almost every page has something to cut. It's just incredible. You can play up all of this stuff as fussy cuts, or you can make envelopes. You can use pages as smaller pages within a larger journal. And there's just so much you can do. You can make tiny envelopes. So I just love it. So what I'm going to do is flip through it slowly with some music, and I think after a few minutes there'll be enough there for you to get a feel for what you are interested in. This is a guide to field identification birds of North America. It's a golden field guide. And Chandler S. Robbins, Bertold Brune, and Herbert S. Zim are the authors, because it does not say editor. And it's illustrated by Arthur Singer. So, I mean, the illustrations are just awesome. Just awesome. This book is from 1966. I will link to it in the description box below in case you want to get a copy or try to get a copy. I don't know how available this book is, but this Flip Through Friday is hosted by Gwen the Trash Witch. Her link to Flip Through Friday and to her page, her YouTube channel, will be in the title below the video and in the description box below with the link to this book. So let's get started. I'm going to turn on the music. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.